How to get Instagram notes on computer. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can get your Instagram notes from your computer. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up any web browser that you would like. In my case, I'll be using Google Chrome. Then at the top search bar, type in www.instagram.com. As you do so, get logged into your Instagram account, and once you're at your home page, click on to Ctrl+Shift+I. As you do so, you will see various options on your right hand side. Here, make sure you toggle on this tablet or the second option. And now refresh your page. Once done, this will lead you to a mobile-like section. In here, click on the messenger icon from your bottom right. And just like so, this is how you can see notes in your Instagram account. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this.